Current and emerging technologies impact our lives every day, wherever that may be. Professionals who want the knowledge and research foundation on trending technologies can take these online courses that delve into a wide range of topics, like hybrid and electric vehicles, connected and automated vehicles, and advanced and smart manufacturing.
These CET programs are developed based on long-time research by top faculty members who are well-known in this industry, and those courses reflect those research findings. I think over the last 10 years, there are tremendous interest because the industry going through transformation. That means both automotive and also manufacturing technologies. In manufacturing, essentially, is digitization and integration. For automotive industry, the key trends are electrification, connected vehicles, shared vehicles. Those are changing the industry in terms of design, manufacturing, and also logistics.
Take just one course of interest, or you can take any 4 courses to earn the University of Michigan Certificate in Current and Emerging Technologies and demonstrate your knowledge. Designed for leaders in technology, this certificate is available online, anytime, anywhere, and enables you to put new knowledge from leading experts in the top-ranked U of M College of Engineering into practice.